whose dimensions are 40 centimeter by 10 centimeter. It is sealed around all its four sides. That means here we need to find parameter to find the total length of the tape. So total length of tape required is equal to perimeter of this rectangle. Perimeter of rectangle is 2 into L plus B. 2 into, here length is 40 centimeter, 40 plus 10, 10 is the breadth. So here using mod mass, first of all we'll solve this bracket. 40 plus 10, 50. 2 into 50 is 100 centimeter. 100 meter of tape is required. We'll convert 100 centimeter into 1 meter.
So let us begin with question number 3. It says the tabletop measures 2 meter 25 centimeter by 1 meter 50 centimeter. What is the perimeter of the tabletop? This is an exact question. Here is the tabletop, the top of the table, whose length is given to you as 2 meter 25 centimeter and breadth is 1 meter 50 centimeter. So to begin with, we write length of tabletop, which is equal to 2 meter 25 centimeter. Dear students, for easy calculations, we are going to convert it into centimeters. So it will be 225 centimeters. And breadth of the tabletop is 1 meter 50 centimeter, which can be written as 150 centimeter. Now you already know the formula for perimeter of rectangle. Perimeter of tabletop is equal to 2 into L plus B. That is 2 into length is 225 plus breadth is 150 and the units are centimeter. And if you do the addition of 225 and 150 is 375 and 2 into 375 gives you 750 centimeter. Now make sure as the question, in the question the given pattern of the units are meters and centimeters. So at the end you are going to convert the answer back into meters and centimeter. Therefore perimeter of tabletop is 7 meters 50 centimeters.
Here we need to find the length of the wooden strip required to frame a photograph whose dimensions are 32 centimeter by 21 centimeter. So when we are to find this wooden strip, that means we need to find this much. Length of wooden strip required is perimeter of the photograph, that is 2 into L plus B because it is rectangular in shape. So it is 2 into L, L is 32 and the breadth is 31. 32 plus 21 makes 53. 2 into 53 is 106. So here length of wooden strip required is 106 centimeter because both the dimensions are in centimeter, so you will write the length of the wooden strip in centimeters.
So sixth question is find the perimeter of each of the following shapes. The A part is a triangle with sides 3 centimeter, 4 centimeter and 5 centimeter. So we have a triangle with sides 3 centimeter, 4 centimeter and 5 centimeter. We do not have any such formula to find the perimeter of a triangle, but yes, we can use the general formula for perimeter, that is sum of all sides. So herein we are going to add all the sides, that is 3 centimeter plus 4 centimeter plus 5 centimeter. So 3 plus 4, 7, 7 plus 5, 12 centimeter will be the perimeter of the given triangle with sides 3 centimeter, 4 centimeter and 5 centimeter. B part is an equilateral triangle with side 9 centimeter. Students, here equilateral triangle means having all the three sides equal. Herein we have 9 centimeter, 9 centimeter, 9 centimeter. You have been told earlier, if a polygon is having all the sides equal, then it is called a regular polygon. And for regular polygon, we have particular formula for finding the perimeter, that is number of sides into length of each side. So, in this triangle is having three sides and length of each side is given to you as 9 centimeter. So the answer becomes 3 9s are 27 centimeter is the perimeter of equilateral triangle of side 9 centimeter. Now C part is an isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle means having two sides equal and the third side is different. Now here in the isosceles triangle, the two equal sides are 8 centimeter, 8 centimeter and the third side is 6 centimeter. So here you also can use the formula perimeter is sum of all sides. Perimeter of isosceles triangle is equal to sum of all sides. So it will be 8 plus 8 plus 6 centimeter. 8 plus 8, 16, 16 plus 6 is 22 centimeter. So the perimeter of isosceles triangle is 22 centimeter. Question 8. Find the perimeter of regular hexagon with each side measuring 8 centimeter. Now here the word is regular hexagon. Regular means with all sides equal and hexagon is a 6-sided polygon. So its perimeter will be number of sides into length of each side. Number of sides in a hexagon 6, length of each side 8 centimeter. So 6 8s are 48 centimeter is the perimeter of this given regular hexagon.